All right, now on to the next segment. We're going to be covering the winner. All right, we're going to be covering now. When I talk about winner, we're all winners, right? We're all winners because we show up, we're being consistent, we're showing up to work, we're doing the listings, we're doing what other people don't. All right, like other people doing the old traditional way of thinking that the sales are going to come from the sky. By then, you could have just been and got a regular job, uh, being a greeter at Walmart or something like that, right? But we're showing up and we're making the art, we're being consistent, we're being held accountable. And now those are the things that are so important because look, if I can do it, you can do it. And it's just great to see people who actually show up, work the system, believe in it, and they see the profit. This is eBay, right? Like eBay is not going to be a multi-billion-dollar corporation if they're not selling products, if they don't have the biggest market in place. They spend $3 billion a year just on the marketing. And they're putting that money up front. You don't even have to spend that money. You don't have to spend anything up front. You only pay a little bit of promo if you're painting sales, and that's on the back end. But we control the promo rate and how you can hedge yourself against that using the buy in now. And all of those things are broken down inside the community. But you don't have to do anything up front and compared to other businesses. So eBay is not going to be profiting every single year on their stocks. And they're not going to be a top, the only competitor to eBay is Amazon, right? And they're not going to be in business if they're not having the market that's there. The market is there. They have 150 credit cards that's already linked in there, and they have 186 million people who are shoppers. So those are the real followers. Those are the real likes. So I just love to see where a lot of times people say to me, hey, does this work internationally? And I tell them, yeah, it does because eBay is global. So this winner right here, or this one who's going to be giving their success story of them winning, they're going to be showing in here, or I'm going to be showing you how they've been winning internationally, how they've been winning in the UK. And that's a great thing to see because most people think that it's only that you're only could be successful by doing this in America. And that's not true at all because we have successful people who are in Europe. So this is just a great example where I could finally show one of our winners who's in the UK, and he's been able to make it happen for himself, but also been able to show the proof in the pudding with his documents or with his graphs and charts to show the numbers. That's why it inspires other people. If you want to have this spotlight as well, then just make sure that you leave your testimony inside the elite community. Let people know whatever your win is, even if it's a small win, and I will spotlight you on this live stream to show your story as well. So that way you can give inspiration to other people to know that, hey, if I can do it, you can do it. And if you can do it, then everybody else could do it because that's what we're here all about. All right, so let's go into this segment right here. All right, let's see here. And today's elite winner who announced their wins is Nick Byrne. Nick Byrne been doing a fantastic job. He's in the UK. All right. So here's his breakdown right here, where he says that here's my update. After 2 months of selling for the first time on eBay, granted, he didn't have an account on eBay. He wasn't selling on eBay. It's his first time on eBay 2 months ago. And he gave his show, or he gave his store info. He's not in America. Now in America, we have a little bit more of an advantage because there's certain things that we get for cheaper when it comes to shipping, but also through a marketplace, right? Because we have more, America's the consumers, right? We're the consumers. And then we have a post office here. Their shipping is a little bit different and their things is different, but he's still able to make it work for himself in the UK because eBay is global. We have successful people in Europe. We have successful people in Canada. We have successful people in Australia. So he goes, my stats so far is 1,500 in sales. Now, mind you, the British pound is more than our USD, our dollar. So really, he's talking about like $1,700 to $1,800 in USD, American cash. So he says so far his stats is 1,500 in sales. He sold 138 items, 500 individual art listings, 2 international sales to America, 6 frames that he upsold, 40 written positive reviews, and 15 repeat buyers. Repeat buyers. So those last two are things that you can't buy. Those things are things that galleries don't have. In just 2 months, he was able to get 40 written positive reviews. That's what I call the full circle of life, how you get more money, because eBay needs to see that people, that you had the item scanned, people received your item, you didn't ship them a box of rocks, you didn't ship them nothing, right? And then they loved your item, it was shipped on time, and they wrote you positive feedback. This gets you ranked higher up on the algorithm, but it also will earn you more collectors, because what do collectors do? They go to the feedback, they see how people have done in your store, especially like the numbers that you sold. So depending on how many numbers that you sold, they look at that to see where you're at. But also he had 15 repeated buyers. So these are people who just bought one time and then they left. They come back over and over and over again. So never be worried. I always say don't day trade the numbers. Don't day trade the numbers, because it always comes back for you in bigger positive numbers. People who buy from you today, I don't look at what they did today. I always think to myself, as long as I do good customer service with them, I give them a good product, they're always going to come back and they're going to buy from me more. They're going to buy more from me, and they're going to buy from my buy it now store, which is the gallery pricing that's higher, because they know that the service is there. So it's always this everlasting loop. And he's only discovered this after 2 months. He says, I'm very happy with my progress so far. My profit margin was non-existent to start off with, as expected. But now it's finally generating profit for me. The sales graph illustrates this perfectly. He says his last note, my favorite artwork I've done out of 500 was very hard to narrow down, is the Lake Fisherman piece. All right. So look at this. Let's see if I can pull up some of the, photos here. All right. So you can see right here where over the previous time it's 100%, because he had no money. There was no value coming in. So off of that, compared to the last time, it was 1,500. That's 100% up. You can't beat that. He shows this chart right here. The reason that this is important, because you can see where it's growing. It's gradually growing. It's growing. But you know what's important about this chart right here is that he's getting a paycheck every single day, and that's what matters. These are the things that I always talk about. I don't know about you, but I want to be in the industry of making money every single day. That's why eBay is addicting for me, because I hate to be an artist where it's like, oh, I might sell a painting or a gallery painting for 5,000 or 10,000, and then I gotta split the cost with the gallery or whoever brokered the deal, right? And then after that, I'm over here penny pinching and I'm budgeting my money, because I don't know when the next time that I'm going to make a sale. So it's annoying, it's aggravating, and it's like nerve wracking, because I want to get paid every single day. I don't want the notion of being like, oh, you're a broke artist. Oh, you're someone who makes paintings, and you're supposed to be a starving artist. That's why I never really go off the whole notion of being like, I'm an artist. I'm an artist. Yes. We're all creators. Yes, I'm an artist, but I'm a business. I do digital marketing, stuff like that. That's what I talk about, because I don't want to be in the notion of being like, oh, you have to wait for your next paycheck. It's a hobby. That's how the world looks at you. But like this, and he's just starting off at 2 months, he's already getting to a point now where he's getting higher and higher. Now, if he's doing this at 2 months, what does 2 years look like for him when he has more collectors? When he has more of the revolving door of the more feedback? Like, he's getting to a point right here where he's getting $200, $300, the $400 profit a day. What can you do with $300 a day in your pocket? What can you do with $400 profiting a day in your pocket? These are the numbers that are real. These are the numbers that I'm talking about, because they all compound. They all add up. This is how millionaires are made. This is how people get $100,000, then $1 million. It doesn't happen overnight. And it doesn't happen because you're planning on the larger number. It happens because the smaller steps compound. People don't understand this. And he's showing you the proof. If he can do this in Europe, in the UK, then why can't you do it in America? It's a mindset. It's a mindset. And this is make sure that you get a paycheck every single day. I always said to myself, when I was in corporate America and I was making close to $200,000 a year, I always said to myself, I don't care about this because it's more stressful. And I want a position where I can pay myself $20 a day. Paying myself $20 a day is more important than somebody paying me $200,000 because I can scale the $20 up. I can scale it and I earned it. It's mine. I'm making that $20 that I earned for that day is more important because at least I get paid every single day. I always say that bills are due every single day and I like to get a paycheck every single day. And he's showing it right here. He's getting his paycheck every single day. So look at his beautiful artwork right here. So he's done this in the UK, mind you, in the UK, not America, where we're the consumers and most people buy from here in America, all right? But look, he's done this in the UK. He has 138 items sold and he already has 66 followers. These aren't social media followers. These are collectors. These are people who bought from him. These are people who buy from him, not just one time, but he had 15 of them. No, he said 40. Wait, how many did he have here that keep coming back? 15 repeat buyers. Look at that. Beautiful artwork. And you can see the simplicity of it. It's very simple. It's not stuff that he's taking years and months to do. It's stuff that he's knocking out the park because he's a business and he's going along with the program and he's making it work for himself. These are things that you could do as well too. Or you could limit yourself in your mind just like the ant and say that you can't. Or what about this? What about that? You're day trading the numbers. Don't day trade the numbers. So this is amazing. This is great work. Very proud of you, Nick. You've been putting in the work. You believed in it, especially from the UK. You've been making it work for yourself, being consistent. You're getting daily paychecks. Nobody can take that away from you, man. I don't care what anybody says. I don't care what anyone says. I don't care what you're talking about. Like that's why I'm at the confident mindset. I've been doing this for years. I've already made $1 million. I've been doing this for years, just from the comfort, just from eBay. I've been doing this. No one could tell me anything. You think anybody could tell? Like nobody could tell me anything because I get paid every day. And you got people over here still trying to figure it out. But I'm showing you the way. This is the beauty. I'm trying to show you the way to free yourself. Get paid every single day. So great job, Nick. Really phenomenal work there. And let's see here. That's what we have there for Nick when we're breaking down the winner circle on there. All right, so let's see. And there we have it right there. That's the end of the video. Like I said, you don't have to be a traditional artist. You can do this for yourself. You can start making money as early as next week. You can have everything mapped out and set up for you. Click the link below. Join us in the eBay art community so you can do this for yourself. But if you're not interested, then that's fine too. Just leave me a like on this video. Let me know that you appreciate the art that we're creating and the cool stuff that we're talking about and that you're vibing with it. Hey, that means the world to me as well. All right, I'm gonna check you out on the next video.